I thought I saw you yesterday, but it didn't look like you. There was an angry crowd just standing round, not knowing what to do. There was screaming and a shouting and snarling and a yelling like the animals in the zoo. Who would have thought they'd make a monkey out of you? Yesterday, but it didn't look like you. Screaming hate at passers-by, was it something that you do? What happened to compassion and human understanding and the things you knew were true? I just wanna know who made a monkey out